Hi, I'm Barbara. Now the packaging part is over, so is all the guys think our production process is complete? Definitely not. But don't forget the most key parts of the production process, the quality inspection. So why the quality inspection is so crucial? Let me show you more tests before the qualified finished products here.
Every one finished product must be go through a complete set of tests by our IQC, IPQC, FQC, and OQC. Any invalid materials, unfinished or finished products have no reason to return back or exchange before going with next process. IQC, incoming quality control, is patiently checking all raw materials in detail according to BOM, including the quality, quantity, appearance, etc. IPQC, Input Process Quality Control, is cautiously responsible for patrol inspection or round regular inspections to the entire production process of materials use, assembly manipulation, machine operation, environmental compliance, etc. FQC, Final Quality Control, strictly carries out finished product inspection according to the finished product inspection standards and make relevant quality records. OQC, Outgoing Quality Control, carefully carries out finished product and shipment inspection according to inspection standards like sampling test, performance test, dropping test, chemical testing, etc. After finished products are put into storage, it is necessary to supervise and warehouse to control the inventory items.